The KISS system is actually an engineering philosophy. And I think most of you realize it means keep it simple, stupid. Basically, what that philosophy is, though, is the simpler, the less complicated you keep your design, the less things that go wrong, the easier and less expensive it will be to manufacture. They've tried to put what they call intensifiers. Think of it like putting glasses on your solar cells. Okay, they have tried solar tracking. In other words, it's where they take and they actually move the photo panels around to follow the sun. All of this has just added complication and cost.
The first flat panel photovoltaic system was designed in 1954 by Bell Laboratories. Henceforth, very little has changed about the design. Along with the basic system design being unwavering are all of its shortcomings and deficiencies. From the onset of Enviro-Sys development, these design deficiencies were noted. Using the KISS principle, EDL is able to simply yet elegantly overcome these deficiencies. You may be asking, what makes the Enviro-Sys Sunflower original? Let us ask the inventor of the sunflower, Ronald Bracken. What makes the sunflower the next generation in PV solar systems?
Think about a flat solar cell. For argument's sake, call it 15% energy efficient. In reality, they're actually just a few percent more than that. That means 15% of the energy from the sun is captured by that cell and turned into electricity. It's the other 85% is what we were worried about, because that's just reflected back up into space. What our trap light technology does, it takes that 85% of that sun's energy, captures it, reflects it back onto the solar cell, bounces it back off again, back onto the cell, back and forth, making maximum utilization. This is why we say it's the next generation in solar systems.
The compactness of the EDL trap light technology allows the footprint of the Enviro-Sys Sunflower to be 80% less than the typical flat panel array. In this example, two ES 1.5 systems are both connected to an extension ES 1.0 unit, producing a combined output of over 5 kilowatts at maximum output. This footprint is approximately 35 square feet compared to a typical 20 flat panel system at 350 square feet.
You now have a solar system that's about the size of a picnic table. Believe it or not, one of the main things that kept coming up over and over again is that most people, the vast majority of people, think that conventional flat panel systems up on people's roofs is one of the ugliest things they've ever seen. It destroys the aesthetics of the house. It also makes it, if you have to repair the roof, it makes that a nightmare because everything's got to come off the roof and then be reinstalled. But again, I can't point out how many people just thought that was ugly.
An outstanding feature of the Enviro-Sys Sunflower is its unique plug-in panel with go, no-go indicators. When a faulty no-go panel is noted, the consumer simply opens the lid, removes the faulty panel, and inserts the replacement panel. This ability to replace panels also eliminates the need to replace the entire solar array system. Advancements of technology and manufacturing will increase the total efficiency of PV solar cells and render installed arrays obsolete. This also makes the system easily upgradable. As PV cells on the market increase efficiency, one will be able to increase the efficiency of the sunflower system by simply exchanging the panels with updated panels made available by EDL.
Transportability was also a major checkpoint for us in our design process of the EDL Sunflower system. There is no traditional flat panel array that can be relocated cost effectively. In other words, you buy that or you lease that system and it's on your house or in your backyard forever. That does not make any sense to me. It never has. And it's one thing the solar industry has never satisfactorily tried to address. With the EDL Sunflower system, you move your solar system with you. You basically just pick it up, put it in the back of your pickup truck, and take it to your new house. Set it down and plug it in. It's that simple. There's environmental impact with all forms of manufacturing one way or the other. The nice thing about not needing to have it custom designed, it does have a significant ecology impact. The way our system is designed, the EDL Sunflower, we do use lower impact type of materials, such as biodegradables. But the main thing is that you can pick it up and take it with you, and you don't have to keep building these things and constantly depleting resources. Saving the best for last, talking about dollars. That is always the top question on every consumer's mind, and rightly so, because going solar is not inexpensive. Right now, if you were to go out and price solar systems, you're going to be spending between $4.70 and $5 per watt. That's the installed price. Now, there are incentives and things like that that may bring that down just a little bit, but that's the basic cost that you're going to be spending. The EDL Sunflower, because we've been able to save dramatically in the cost of manufacturing, distribution, and installation of this thing, you're under $3 a watt. That's a huge savings. That's like 40% savings that makes your return on investment shortened by 40%. In other words, it's cash in the bank.